proposition here is honestly kind of insane. This model is quite underrated, actually. It is obviously extremely fast, and you're getting state of the art reasoning and agentic performance completely for free through Hermes. And technically speaking, this matters a lot because this model is not some tiny lightweight model. In terms of intelligence, artificial analysis is stating that it is ranked number 10 in terms of its overall performance in the index. It is extremely fast, number 8 out of 87 different models. Obviously, pricing is free. And in terms of overall usage, you can see that it is listed at 121 tokens per approximately 1 second, which is extremely efficient and it is extremely fast. This is something that also supports a massive 1 million token context window. It is pretty good at reasoning and coding and surprisingly good for autonomous workflows. Now, in my own benchmark, which I will be releasing fairly soon, this model is extremely fast while also being something that can excel at front end agentic tasks as well as system simulation. I'm not saying it's the best, but the value that you're getting for a free model is pretty good with this harness like Hermes. And you can see that it does pretty decent in terms of getting the basic structure and output for your front end in comparison to something like Opus 4.7, which probably is spending a lot more for an output like this. And what's cool is you can even use it like a research agent, for example, which can work incrementally based off the schedule that it is given. And you can see that it's able to use tools like web search completely for free, something that's built within the news research portal. Currently, you can see that it is scouring multiple sources to get my research task done, where it's extracting multiple contents on what is happening right now throughout the AI model race, where it is trying to find different model releases within the last 24 hours. It is also focusing on summarizing the biggest updates and then comparing the benchmarks. And then at the end, generating a clean markdown report with all the different sources. And just like that, it has created a markdown report, which I've just opened this up within Cursor. And you can see that it has all the different sources as well and talks about all of the different findings as well as comparing it to other benchmarks as well as a baseline. So that is actually pretty interesting. And that was a research task that I had completed right directly within my computer using a free model. Now, what I'm going to say is make this into